Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Art Adventures. Today, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to draw a heart the best way possible. And let's get started. So you're going to find the center of your paper. You go down a little bit. Okay, put a dot. Go straight up again, a little bit past the center of your paper, and put another dot. Okay, so now you have two dots in the center of your paper from left to right this way. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go to the bottom line and you're going to draw a straight line almost to that point. And then you're going to draw another straight line almost to that point height-wise. Okay, so now you have a big V in the center of your paper. All you have to do is go from this point and you're going to do a curve and find that point and stop. And then you're going to do another one this way, find that point and stop. Now, it will be a little bit uneven unless you take something and trace one corner, and then connect those two, and I'll do a separate one for you right now. Basically, what you're going to do is take something to trace with. You're going to do a circle. You're going to pull it over. You're going to do a little bit more like a Venn diagram. You can do another circle like this. And then you can take this side here and this side here, bring it in. But let's find the center first. And then go ahead and draw a line to that point. And then this is going to connect to this. And then you can go ahead and erase these lines. And once you erase these lines, now you have your heart shape on your paper. If you have something smaller than this lid that I have from a jar, then that might work a little bit better for you if you want a smaller heart. If you want something as big as this, then you can go ahead and trace something about that size. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and use this one for the remainder of our project today, and we are going to outline this. We're gonna give it a little bit of detail. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna draw a circle here, and then we're gonna turn this into a flower. So we're going to draw a little lily pad type of flower petal. We're just going to do that all the way around until we complete our flower. We're going to give it a little band as if it's a headband or a hairband. Okay. We're going to come over here, starting in the center line, and we're going to do a letter or a number 3, and it's going to be kind of slanted on the top and on the bottom. It's not going to be a perfect 3, but more of a slanted one like that, and that's going to be kind of like a kissy face lips. Over here, you're going to draw a little bit of a curved line and kind of make it into a bean shape. That's going to be a winking eye. And you're going to do another one of those, but a little bit bigger. And that's going to be the eyebrow. We'll go over here. We'll draw ourselves a circle. Circle on the inside. Another little circle here. And then we'll color that in black once we get to the coloring portion. Draw ourselves a little bit of an eyebrow. And now we just need a background and we're all set, we're all finished. Okay, so now that we're all set with our actual picture, we're gonna go ahead and outline it with our permanent marker. If you don't have a permanent marker, any black marker will do. Permanent marker is just, for me, work the best and they give you that true dark black color that I'm looking for. Okay, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started on this. But before I get started, I want to give myself a little bit of kind of like rosy cheeks. So I'm gonna take this pink flesh tone and I'm going to give myself an oval over here on this side. And then I'm gonna go over all of this with the, um, the red. And I wanna go ahead and go around these rosy cheeks so that you kind of see it pop up a little bit. All right, guys, well, there you go. That is how you draw a heart. I did a little bit of coloring, did a little bit of rosy cheeks on this heart, and then I decided to do a like a white daisy with a yellow headband, and just give it a little bit more detail than just have a regular heart. So, guys, I appreciate you guys watching as always. Remember to subscribe, like, give me a comment if you have any other ideas that you guys want me to do. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.